Is a complete Web3 payments platform starting with Solana. If you're a builder, user, or creator interested in monetizing with Web3, you can now use Helio to accept payments in any Solana currency for e-commerce, subscriptions, invoices, paywalls, tip jars, and much more. We charge 0% fees, deliver the best UX, and are 100% Web3 native. Simply head over to hel.io to connect your Solana wallet, sign in by approving the message. You then land on the dashboard, which is a single pane of glass to see all of your Web3 payments, including sales, incoming and outgoing transactions. You can edit or set up new payments and customize your Helio experience in settings, including all of your details, your merchant settings, such as your PFP, your Twitter handle, your corporate website, and much more. If you're ready to set up your payment, simply hit the Create Payment button. In this case, I'm selling a hoodie for an NFT project. Give it a name. Give it a description. You can upload a product image. There we go. That's my hoodie. I can reveal some log content when a user buys my product, including a thank you message or a link to a website. I can select my currency, USDC, Solana, or any SPL native token such as Dust. In this case, I'm selling my hoodie for 1 Sol. Can limit my total sales because I only have 50 hoodies in stock. I could also choose to gate access to this payment based on an NFT collection. That's useful if you're targeting a specific NFT community or want to enable discounts based on NFT. I can also then allow the user to adjust the quantity to buy multiple hoodies. And of course, I'm going to require customer details because I'm selling an in real life goods. I need the email details. I need the shipping address. I'm also going to enable some additional information because I want to make sure that the user can select the size of the hoodie, small, medium, large, extra large. That's then available in a picker. Here we go. I'm going to hit this button here. I can customize the URL that I'm selling this hoodie on. Here we go. I can share this link anywhere to start selling. Or I could also embed a Helio payment button into my own website if I already have an existing web shop. And that's done by using our React libraries as well as our APIs. You can head over to our developer documentation to get started. But for now, let's copy this checkout link and see what the end user experience looks like. So I now have a mini e-commerce page here. I need to complete my customer details. Got an address API here, simply pre-selects my address. And I'm going to select medium for my size hoodie. I'm going to hit pay, approve the transaction. The transaction is settled instantly on the blockchain. I can see my transaction details here on the SolScan link. Can also get a receipt in the dashboard. So by connecting to the Helio dashboard, I'm already connected here with my wallet. I have my incoming, outgoing transactions. In this case, from a merchant point of view, I've just sold a hoodie. I can see all of the customer details. I can see all of the transaction details. So I can now go ahead and ship the product. These details are also exportable via CSV, and they're also available via an API. So we can integrate into things like Shopify, or something as simple as a Google Sheet. Just 2 more things before we finish off this demo. In addition to a single product on a one-time payment, I could also sell a subscription based on what we call a pay stream. And a pay stream is a recurring payment per time interval. So on a monthly basis, I could charge $10, let's say for my newsletter subscription here. The workflow is very similar. So I'm charging here 10 USDC per month. I'm going to set a subscription time of 6 months. And again, I can require customer details and go through the same steps as I showed earlier. Also, this is very promising for things like enabling access to digital content based on a paywall. I could say, based on a minute per minute interval, I'm being charged 0.1 USDC to access this particular newsletter, let's say. Again, that's all available through the API as well, so we can signal the state of the transactions in real time, and you can enable a paywall. And then finally, we can plug into an existing shopping basket that you might have on your website. There we go. We're not then using Helio to build up details about a product. We simply process an amount that your shopping basket posts to us via the API. We could still require our customer details on Helio. We could still receive payment notifications. But again, I can now copy this this code snippet, enable it in my website through the embedded React component, integrate the API, and then Helio simply acts as a payment processor rather than handling sort of the fulfillment of products. So that was the demo we had in mind. We hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please jump into our Discord, reach out to us via Twitter, DM, or drop us an email, and we look forward to speak to you soon. Thank you.